And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For old time's sake. As time goes by.
Good day, people. How y'all feel today? Check this out. We're going to check out Saudia Shula's country cooking seafood. I'm going to give my honest opinion on it. Does have shrimp. It's not bad. I'm being totally honest with you. This is not bad. I can tell you one thing, it's full of shrimp. It should have crab in it and stuff like that. It's more shrimp than anything in this one. Got some mermaid meat. Actually has a nice piece of, and that's lump crab right there. Zoom in. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Lump crab. Here you go. And that's not imitation. That's actual. That was an actual piece of lump crab. Man, here goes some other, like, I don't know if y'all can see that. There y'all go. I can't, it's good. It's actually good. It's actually good. And anybody that know me personally know that I'm born and raised in Baltimore. Second half of my life was Philadelphia. So I've been here the second half of my life. Seafood is my favorite food. And let's give you, I mean, she can give somebody a run for their money with this. I actually like it, and I think it's good.
As time goes by.